Integrations. Integration with Google Calendar. Learn how to integrate Google Calendar to keep track of time spent on meetings and/or events, and upload it to the corresponding tasks. Activate integration. Head to the calendar located on the header. Click on it. This will redirect you to the Integrations tab, where you will be able to make the direct connection with Google Calendar by clicking on Connect. Enter your email and grant the corresponding permissions. The synchronization is complete. Remember that the integration activation is only generated per user, and you can activate and deactivate it as many times as you want. In the COR header, you will see the Google Calendar icon. Clicking on it will display all the calendars associated with the selected account. Choose one and you will see by default the events scheduled for the day. If you want to select another day from your calendar, click on the drop-down menu and select another date. You can go back up to 30 days. If you have more than 5 events per day, scroll to see all of them. If you have an event scheduled for 2 or more days, the duration will be specified. Lastly, if you do not have events on the agenda, a message will be displayed to notify you. You must reload the COR page after making changes to events in Google Calendar. Except for updates to your agenda made in the previous days, these will appear in COR the following day. Track time in COR. If any of the dates have a yellow indicator, it means that you have not tracked time for that day through the Google Calendar integration in COR. You may do this by selecting an event from your calendar and clicking on the Track Time button and associate it to a previously existing task. You will see that the date is fixed and that the tracked time is, by default, the estimated time for the event. If you wish to edit it, you can do so. Click Accept. Given the time tracked, the event is grayed out. You also note that if you visit the associated task panel and head to the Time tab, you will find a record of time tracked for that task. In case you need to associate the event scheduled in Google Calendar to a new task, you can create it if you have the appropriate permissions. Click on the Track Time button and fill in the field at the end of the drop-down menu with the name of the task and select the project to which it will be assigned. Click on the blue button to finish. If you wish, edit the time that will be tracked. Click on Accept. Finally, when tracking time to an event with a duration of more than 1 day, COR will allow you to track the time on the date selected in the calendar. By default, 8 hours will be tracked for the event. You will be able to edit it. Integration clarifications. If you block third-party app access rights in Google settings, the integration will be disabled automatically, and you will need to re-enable it. If you want to access events from an email account other than the one selected, you will have to unsubscribe from the integration and repeat the registration process by selecting the desired account. You won't have to worry about losing time tracked to COR through the integration if you make this account change, because it will be saved.